I think a very important starting point is one of respect. As you know, there's been a lot of emphasis on Western approaches to looking at societies at large, and very little done in developing similar protocols with local knowledge holders. In some cases, one has been described as formal and others as informal. And I think the starting point is the respect, mutual respect, but also finding ways of strengthening research led by communities, community-led research, which will, in a sense, use tools that communities themselves are comfortable with. But I think there needs to be some kind of interface so that the Western science, the methodologies and the tools that are applied to understanding ecological processes can be used to, in a sense, interact with indigenous methodologies for looking at similar issues and finding ways by which you can actually bring the two together. Because I think there is a lot the two worldviews can benefit from in understanding the changes that are happening to the natural environment. So there's a lot that can be done in that respect. I think another point that needs to be made is in creating forums where the indigenous knowledge holders and the Western scientific researchers can engage and dialogue, be able to come to an understanding of what processes they're dealing with, what issues are. And that way, policies that come out of these processes will be a lot more generic, a lot more relevant, and a lot more, what I would say, sustainable.